Hi, I'm Sherry from Whole Circle Studio. Welcome to week 7 of the Leaf Peepers Quilt Along. This week we're going to quilt block number 2, which looks like this leaf right here. I'm going to use the same strategies I used last week, whereas I'm following the seams of my quilt top, and I'm also going to be matching the colors, my thread colors, to the fabric. So here's my selection for this week. And then once I outline each shape, I'm going to use that quilted line as a guide to then quilt the next line. I went ahead and I finished quilting all of the solid areas of my leaf number 2. You can see here. One thing I wanted to point out when traveling, the trickier part is when you're sort of at a diagonal. So what I mean by that is for this leaf, I quilted around the perimeter and then I got to this point. And in order to know how far away my 3/8, again on my walking foot, was, to get to this point, I actually held my ruler and measured 3/8 of an inch this way, and then also made sure it was 3/8 of an inch this way. I put a pin in it, and when I was at that point, all the way around the perimeter, I knew I just needed to travel up to here, and then I can continue on quilting this line using this line as a guide. I hope you're enjoying quilting along. We are going to tackle block number 3 next week. Let's make something awesome.